Hello, I am going to speak about versatile black box optimization. This is a joint work with plenty of people and Cthulhu. So the basic idea is that not all algorithms are good at everything. This guy is excellent at watching and looking at you. It can see a rabbit moving at 2 kilometers. That guy is excellent at punching, twice faster than any karateka on Earth. This guy is excellent at surviving in any extreme conditions, so that there are probably some of them alive on the moon. So if we want something which works really well for any problem you might have, we need an aggregate like Cthulhu, who is good at just everything. So the principle is that one. We have plenty of guys good at something, and we want something good at everything, so we will combine all those guys. We are going to do the Cthulhu of black box optimization. So here is a black box. So here is our Cthulhu. So our Cthulhu is termed Shiwa. Shiwa is our algorithm. It's a kind of black box version of Cthulhu. So Shiwa starts by considering what is the type of variables. It checks if there is noise. It checks the number of variables, the budget, which is the number of function evaluations you can use. And it checks the parallelism. And depending on this, it decides which of all those algorithms we should use. This is a very simple idea. It's based on plenty of papers. This combines Powell, CMA, FastGA, some nice algorithms for one-shot optimization, and the 1+1 ES, which is sometimes excellent for small budget, population control for noisy optimization. We also use online algorithm selection in some cases when we have a big enough budget. Okay, differential evolution as well in some cases. And combinations between evolution strategies and bandit methods. Okay, so the first good piece of news is that it works very well on artificial test functions. So here we get results on YaBBOB, yet another BBOB, which is essentially BBOB, except that we did not try to be exactly the same objective function as BBOB. So we get those results. Okay, so on those results, we can see that we perform very well on artificial test function, but also we tested on real-world test functions. So in Nevergrad, we have plenty of real-world test functions, and overall, we perform very well on all those test functions. Okay. I don't want to present dozens of plots. You can see that in the paper. Essentially, the algorithm works quite well in many different cases. Okay, so a very simple idea. We automatize and systematize the work of a scientist, deciding which method should be applied on which test case. It works in the noise-free case, in the noisy case, on continuous or discrete variables, in the sequential or parallel case. And we have a unified test on many test functions or on a stable platform, Nevergrad. It's Python open source and maintained and readable. Okay, and feel free to join us on our Facebook group Nevergrad users. I'm pretty sure your algorithm can help Shiwa. I am pretty sure there are cases in which your algorithm is better than everything we have. So we might integrate your algorithm inside Shiwa just with the right if then else. Okay. So basically that's it. Feel free to join us and don't be scared. This algorithm is actually quite simple, just a few if then else. So you can read the code in like 40 lines of Python, and it works quite well. Okay. Thank you very much.